With the Tiny Tools Move plugin, you can move layers or groups with precision. Not only can you do this to the exact pixel, you can also use all the units available in Photoshop. For example, if you're designing a flyer, you can move objects using inches or centimeters without having to adjust your rulers. If there is an active selection, it will be moved automatically instead of the selected layers. When you're in a hurry, you can use Shift-click to move by a factor of 10 of the set value. If you want to duplicate the same object multiple times at a specific distance, you can use the duplicate function while moving. This is the second entry in the right-click menu and also works by holding the Alt key. Download a free trial version now and see yourself how practical the Move plugin is for you. Enjoy pixel-perfect designing.